The silver seems to be bearish for the upcoming week, and I have a number of reasons to believe in that. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, my friends, our style here in Xtreme Trader, as we all know, is to go to the bigger time frames such as weekly and daily charts to confirm the direction of the market. After that, we will switch to the smaller time frames such as 4 hour or even 1 hour to find the entry. So first thing of all, I would like to move to the weekly chart. But before that, it's the end of February, right? So let's move now to the monthly chart to see how did monthly candle did. Now, as you can see, February candle has closed as a pin bar, which indicates, of course, a continuation in the bearish fall. Maybe not for that long, but I mean, maybe until the market actually at least reach this level of a support before it start make unexpected movement and continue the rise. That's going to be a lot of pips, actually, my friends. That's going to be around 100 pips. Now, all in all, the silver monthly candle indicates a bearish fall. Let's now move to the weekly chart. So here on the weekly chart, we have few things. First of all, of course, we all can see it is the head and shoulder pattern. Not only that, but the right shoulder is lower than the left one. And that tells us that there is a possibility of a bearish fall, as we can see right now. Now, of course, we can see a lot of things here. The second thing I can see here on the weekly chart is this strong bearish engulfing candle, which actually has wiped out the entire progress of the last 3 weeks. Over the last 3 weeks, we had small candles, which of course indicates a pressure from the sellers or the bears. Now, as you can see, again, the strong bearish candle actually has taken a place of 3 candles, which indicates, of course, a strong bearish movement. And the silver actually right now has a potential to continue the fall, at least to reach this level of a support right here. Let me just be precise. Exactly, the support at 30.087, which means the silver, again, based on the weekly chart, still has around a chance to go to another 100 pips. Now, the second, or actually the third thing that I can see here, based on the weekly chart again, is a broken level of a supported trend line. Check this out. So this supported trend line has begun actually back in February, or actually January 2024. And as you can see, over the last year, it actually was holding the position. Then finally, over the last month, the bearish movement here was stronger, and the support trend line has indeed been retested. So again, another reason to believe that the silver most likely will continue the fall, at least to reach this level of a support right here. So therefore, most likely, my friends, we will look for shorting the silver for the upcoming week. Let's now move to the daily chart. All right. So now here is the daily chart, shows me a lot of things. First of all is the real level of a resistance and the fake breakouts. So as you can see right here exactly, we had a real level of a resistance with 2 fake breakouts. So here, number 1 of a real resistance, number 2 and 3, number 1 of a fake breakout. Then again, the market actually created a resistance right on the same level of a real resistance as well. So we had another fake breakout right here finally. So again, that also indicates that the market is unable actually so far to make an actual bullish breakout from this level of a resistance. Why? Because the market actually has failed to create a single attempt of a support on this level. So the resistance at 32.432 has never become a support. Never. It has always been broken out from. Again, indicates a strong bearish fall. Now, another thing you can see right here based on the daily chart is another broken channel, as we can see right here. So here on the daily chart, we have this long-term channel which actually has just finally been broken out from. So let me just now tell you something. When you have an upper trend with a channel like this, and it's become, we can see the bearish breakout happened, the market usually, guys, tend to fall down till it reaches the strong key level of a support before start the rise again to retest the broken level of a support trend line to create now here a new resistance trend line. So that's exactly what I'm expecting to happen. Again, we have here a strong key level of a support, and the silver has the potential to continue the fall till it reaches this level of a support before finally start the rise again to retest the broken level of a supported trend line. But again, that's going to be 100 pips, even more, 130 pips. That's why I'm telling you we are most likely looking to start shorting the silver for the upcoming week. So considering all of that, again, we can safely sell the silver, and this time, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that the best level to start shorting this pair will be exactly right here, the resistance at 31.670 for 2 reasons. Number one, this is the nearest level of a resistance to this strong bearish breakout candle. Those who are using my strategy on this channel, they know very well that if you have a bearish breakout candle, you can expect the next level of a resistance to be exactly at the same level of the nearest resistance to this bearish breakout candle. Because here, my friends, we have again the bearish breakout candle. If we look at the left, we have here a support, 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 then a resistance, which is again the nearest one to this candle. Number two, to believe that we can sell right here, is actually the broken level here of a support trend line. Again, another reason to believe that the silver might actually respect the same level of a broken support trend line here to create a new resistance trend line. So all in all, we will have to wait for the silver to rise to another 52 pips before we can start hopefully shorting it safely. Another thing I just saw actually right now, I think I can see it, right? Yeah. We have here also another resistance trend line which has been respected here again, guys. This is daily chart. So over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, it has been respected. Then when the market made an actual bullish breakout from it, it failed to create a single attempt of a supported trend line and instantly just kept following the trend and fall below this level. Not only that, but also right here we can see it also created a resistance trend line. So again, another reason to believe that the silver most likely will respect the same level of a resistance trend line and afterward continue the fall. So that being said, selling the silver at 31.670, targeting the support right here, exactly right, let me just be precise, exactly right here at 30.180, aiming around 150 pips of profit. And in this case, my friends, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here and there and here as well at 32.676, which will be ranging for almost 70 pips only of a safe zone. And there goes our new update signal on the silver, sorry, my friends. And of course, before we end the video, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. I will send you here updates if we need actually to change the entry or the take profit level, you name it. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.